And now, this is NCTA.
Hi, I'm Weston Ploeger, a sophomore agribusiness management student at the Nebraska College of Technical Agriculture in Curtis. I grew up in Panora, Iowa, and first met an NCTA recruiter at the Iowa FFA State Convention. Discovering the Ranch Horse team shifted NCTA to the top of my list. What I didn't expect was how much more I'd gain. Hands-on classes, real industry connections, and a student culture where everyone wants you to succeed. Diving into clubs, teams, and leadership opportunities has taken my college experience to a whole new level. I serve as president of the Ranch Horse team, treasurer of the rodeo team, and I'm involved in Collegiate Cattlemen's, the Agribusiness Club, and Student Senate. Traveling with these groups has been one of my favorite parts of college, competing, learning from professionals, and building lifelong relationships. After NCTA, I plan to transfer into a bachelor's program while growing my own cow horse training business. The success I've had here with the Ranch Horse team has strengthened that goal. Last year, I won the collegiate non-pro all-around in both Loveland and McCook, placing in the top 3 throughout the season. I also earned top 10 class placings at NERSHA Nationals in Amarillo with a top 20 finish in the collegiate non-pro all-around. Seeing my teammates grow and succeed has been just as meaningful. With great coaching and a team that pushes me to improve, NCTA has had a huge impact on me. If you're looking for a college where you can grow your skills in the arena, in the classroom, and in your future career, take a look at what NCTA has to offer. Schedule your visit or apply at ncta.unl.edu. Enrollment is open for next semester.